Oh,
Wow.
hít vào. Thở. Oh. So if you see this video, please you can do this also. See, what we have to do, you have to wedge your pen. Down, down.
Here and
How long?
1 year.
1 year pen. You see. Ăn cơm chưa?
Chưa.
No eat food also. Nutrition don't have, no have protein into body. And no vitamin, you see. So, how? So, still she is a stiff also. So, if you see this video, please you can do this also. See, what we have to do, you have to push the muscles of this area, and yes, and diganchatoy, see, yes, come here, yeah, you see, when you do this, it's painful, down, yes, it's painful, you see. So at least 2 to 3 minutes we have to do this. So when you complete this, so you can see, wow, it's become soft a little because her pain is not too much less. Okay, hai chân thang, simple, relax your body. Okay, so simply breathe out, inhale, exhale. Oh,
Wow.
oh, very nice. Inhale, exhale, thở. Oh, oh. What was that? Okay, simple. Two. The third we go. Interlock your hand. Interlock your hand. Then thigh. So backward. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Ah. Bao níu. Và có hay coi. Thay lòng. Okay. Em okay chưa? Then thigh. Okay. So we put here legs here. Let's check. Em thả lỏng cơ thể. Two. And here. Two. Hít vào. Thở. Oh. So, relax thả lỏng. Quay lại. Mặc phải trái. Yes, mặc lên xuống. Yes, lên xuống. Đã không? Nói cảm ơn.
Cảm ơn rất nhiều.
Rồi, thank you.